Hello teachers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a plural noun station activity designed to keep students engaged while reinforcing their grammar skills. But before we dive in, here's how it works. Students begin at whichever station their group is assigned to. This activity is a cycle, so not a step-by-step process. Each station lasts 9 minutes, followed by 1 minute to pack up and leave the materials ready for the group that will be coming to that station. They move clockwise to the next station. Now let's break down each station. At station 1, roll the dice. Students will practice spelling plural nouns in a fun game-like way. Students roll the dice, they move a counter forward, the number of spaces they rolled. When they land on a word, they must spell its plural form aloud. So this is targeting spelling. At station 2, students match singular nouns with their correct plural forms. This hands-on puzzle activity helps reinforce common plural rules, adding s or es. At station 3, students work with irregular plural nouns, words that don't follow the usual rules. They'll match words like child with children and tooth with teeth. This activity helps them memorize tricky plurals through hands-on learning. At station 4, it's teamwork time. Students complete a worksheet applying what they've learned about regular and irregular plural nouns. This station encourages discussion, peer learning, and problem solving. Next up is station 5, bingo. I assign one lead student to be calling out singular nouns. Then the rest of the group will find the plural form on their bingo cards. The first player to get 5 in a row wins. And because they have 9 minutes, then they choose somebody else to be the lead student to call out the singular nouns. Now, station 6 is where I step in. This is a note-taking station where I'll work with students to clear up misconceptions, answer tricky questions, and provide extra support. Students will take notes on key grammar rules and strategies for remembering plural forms. This station ensures no one is left behind. I hope you find these station ideas helpful. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use them in your classroom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engaging teaching ideas. See you next time!